From school classrooms to living rooms across New York City, our mission is to amplify untold stories and create space for healing, leadership, and transformation, one voice at a time. Welcome to The Art of Storytelling, a media education initiative that empowers individuals to find their voice, craft their narrative, and share their truth through the power of podcasting and digital storytelling. Reach out to us today at Coleman Global.
Hello, welcome to the podcast, and today I'm here with three of my closest friends from childhood, and we're gonna talk about what we want to be in the future and what we have in mind. So first, we're gonna start off with Brian.
Hello, my name is Brian. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Mount Hope High School.
Next is Jada,
I'm Jada. I'm 15 and I go to Celia Cruz Bronx High School of Music.
and then is Megan,
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm 17 and I go to Fordham Leadership Academy.
and my name is Katri. I'm 15 and I go to Bronx High School for Long Community Service. So first, we're gonna start with Brian. A question that I have is what you want to be in life and what you have in mind. What are the steps that you want to do?
I want to do like business, finance. The steps I'm taking is looking for opportunities that talk about it, about business and stuff. To the colleges, I'm looking into what interests they have that connect to mine. And that's why I want to, start a business, make money, and sell stuff that people really need.
Do you have a college in mind that you know that helps you with financial business?
I really don't know. Like I'm into like going abroad or in the Ivy Leagues, like
Okay.
Harvard.
What do you want to be in life, and do you know the steps to be there to achieve your goals?
I've always said this. I always wanted to be a singer. I've always wanted to be a singer. That's my whole life. I've been singing since I was at least 3.
Nice, that's good.
So it's like as I progress more, it's the fact that I'm in a music school that will help me more
Wow.
get into upper ensembles.
Yeah. Having you more opportunities to achieve that goal, being a singer, and like
Yes.
taking you to trips to maintain that singing voice. That's good.
Right? And I might be the first person out of my family on my mom's side to go to college.
Oh, that's
Wow.
good. That's
Nice.
good. I like that. I like that. First one.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
And it's like I like other schools, but I think HBCU,
It's the one that helps you more.
yes, and it really
Okay.
connects me with my culture.
That's good. Megan, you want to share?
Yeah, I'm interested in architecture, specifically landscape architecture, because it's not only like aesthetic pleasing, but it's
Yeah.
also gonna help Earth. I really want to go to college out of state.
Also, you know that you want to be out of state in here.
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to be out of state.
You have a
Maybe-
college in mind? or-
Yes, ESF, Syracuse.
Mm.
It's environmental science and forestry, I think. Yeah, I believe so. I think I might do my first year in state so I can save a little bit of money so I can transfer.
Yeah. So that's like a goal that I want to do in my life, and make my parents proud. And like Jada said, she's gonna be the first one in her mom's side to go to college, right? I'm gonna be I'm the youngest from my whole family. I'm going to be first one to go to college and get my diploma and my master's degree. So that's what I'm aiming for, to get everything. And just make your parents proud. And Brian, are you gonna be the first one in your
Yeah,
family?
first one too.
And you too, Megan? Or no?
No.
No?
I have a sister. She already graduated college.
Also, you have siblings?
Yes.
I think all of us have siblings, or only
Yeah.
child?
I have 2.
Jada?
I have 5 brothers, 2 sisters, and 2 adopted sisters.
So it's a big family.
Yes.
Okay.
But my family in general is over 30 people. More than 30,
wow.
like 40, 50.
Wow. I'm the only child, but I have a lot of family in like Texas and Mexico, so it's a very big family. It's a lot, but we all love each other. We
Yeah.
all just be there together. So I feel like a lot of our people that are listening to us can really get that, really see how all of us in this life can like go far. Thank you so much for listening to our broadcast. Thank you and goodbye.